Taking the initiative is our seventh and final essential entrepreneurial behavior. Like an entrepreneur, instead of passively waiting for somebody else to take action, you ask yourself, what am I going to do? What am I going to do today? Let's think about how you can take the initiative in relation to each of the seven essential entrepreneurial behaviors. You take ownership of problems and opportunities. You see the real needs, and you are prepared to rise to the challenge of meeting those needs. You choose to take on the responsibility for getting things done. You take it on yourself to generate solutions. You use your imagination and your creativity. You experiment and prototype. You test and refine. You meticulously put your plans into action. You're determined to turn your words into action. Your actions align with your words. You communicate your values and remain true to them. You hold yourself to high standards and act ethically at all times. You dare to take risks. You don't just think about what needs to be done. You take the necessary actions, even if that rocks the boat. You know what needs to be challenged, and you're not afraid to stand up for what is right. You face up to and overcome the inevitable obstacles. You put effort into making the case for change, for winning people over. You work to get people on board and keep them on your side. You work at engaging people and motivating them to play their part. You keep yourself motivated, and in turn, you act as a role model. You commit to trying your best to become more productive. You work at being a good team member. You show how it's possible to make the best use of the available resources. You convince people through your actions. You have a real sense of purpose and energy. You don't hold back. You're eager to make progress. You're prepared to take action today and not keep putting things off. You are prepared to take the first step if nobody else will. Corporations, governments, and the public sector may talk a lot about being more entrepreneurial, but those words rarely translate into practice. It's up to you to show that it is possible to think and behave in an entrepreneurial way, and in doing so, to demonstrate benefits for you, your colleagues, and society. Like an entrepreneur, you will take action and get things done. A good question to ask is, how can you take the initiative?